Hello everyone, welcome, I'm Lucas, and what if we create together an RPG dungeon crawler? Well, in this course I will teach you how to create step by step a dungeon from the floor to raising the walls and ceilings and torches, columns and props until we end up with a full environment that we can use for our game. Later, we'll be working on a way to move inside this level that we created. So we'll be working on the player movement, super simple code, handling the keys from the keyboard and handling the collision, avoiding collision actually. Well, after that, we'll be working with triggers. I will teach you how can we detect where the player is or anything enters a space. And in this section, I'll be using a quick trick and powerful one is the observer pattern, but in a super simple way. Well, after that, we'll be working in the skeleton itself. So we'll be working with animations, code. We'll be adding a health system to the skeleton and attacks. And later we'll be working in equipping a sword. So we can have a sword inside our map. And actually you can choose if we have other options, not only the sword like a dagger or an axe. And after that, we'll be working in the cutscene. Yes, we'll be creating a cutscene together and you can use it in any game that you want. After that, I talk about polishing, how can we improve graphics, use post-processing, not only talking, but actually showing and making it in our game. So in the last videos, the graphics improve a lot. I'll be talking about baking lights and I will also teach you some tricks on how to make smooth movements using only code. It's a really cool trick. And finally, we'll be working in building the game and playing, and you can of course share the game with anyone that you like. And for this course, my strategy is to be super practical, so I'm not worrying about optimizations or good practices. I just want to get your game as soon as possible, even today. Okay, and everything that you see in the video are actually footage of me moving the camera inside the project in different timelines. So you'll get the same results if you follow the steps, and I promise you the steps are super simple. And this course is the perfect quick start. And if you are willing to learn how to create games and you don't know how to start, well, I really suggest you to consider this course.